What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video we are going to be making two side tables for one of my clients. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them, also sharing our videos. I'm very grateful for all the support that you have been giving me. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps, materials and tools that I've used during this DIY today. That is, if you want to try something like this on your own. It's something very simple. I'm sure if you watch the video till the end, you can get one or two ideas from us. And if you have any question, kindly just comment down below and I'll answer you. So watch the video till the end, like it, comment on it, tell me what you think about it, and I'll be very grateful. And we are now almost reaching 10k subscribers, so let's keep sharing the videos, let's keep subscribing to the channel, and that will be very great. Anyway, we will be uploading more videos for you guys so that you can fully understand and also enjoy our content. And if this is the kind of content that you like, or videos or DIYs that you like, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So now enjoy the video.